Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't yet, like, share, subscribe my channel. In today's video, as you can see, we have bags of food, fast food, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, and McDonald's. And I have this because I'm gonna be blindfolded and I'm gonna try to guess, because we just got spicy chickens from these different restaurants, and I'm gonna try to guess where the spicy chicken is from. First one is, just kidding. Can I have a guess right now? I'm hungry. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say Wendy's. I'm gonna guess McDonald's on this one. Maybe. I know this one.
That one?
I know this one. It's Chick-fil-A.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah. Oh, this one's fat. A little greasy. Oh, what's this?
The bun.
That one's not good.
It's not good?
I don't know. Burger King. I'm gonna go Burger King on BK.
Do you want some more Gatorade?
Yeah. I'm 3 for 3, baby. Yeah, I do. I can tell. I don't give my reasons at the end.
Okay. Ready for the last one?
McDonald's.
You can blindfold.
Uh-huh.
You can blindfold.
So you're right?
Yeah, everyone was right.
Woohoo! I could tell.
How could you tell?
I could tell this one was Wendy's because I usually get this when I go to Wendy's. And like the mayonnaise, like the mayo or whatever. I don't know, like their mayo tastes different. And this one I knew it was Chick-fil-A just because like their chicken tastes different, like it tastes better.
Yeah.
And then this one I knew was BK because it was kind of nasty, and I think BK doesn't really do a good job with their chicken sandwiches. Well, with this one, I haven't tried the other ones. And I knew this one was McDonald's because, I don't know, I think the chicken in it kind of tasted like a little bit like a McChicken.
Well, no one has cheese. None of the other ones have cheese.
And it had pickles. Do
Oh.
these have pickles?
I don't know. Check.
This one had a pickle, but I didn't take a bite out of it.
Okay.
And this one, yeah,
You took a bite out of the pickle with that one too.
no, I think this is lettuce.
This one's not the pickle.
No, it's lettuce.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't recommend, well, up to you guys, but I don't recommend this one. Yeah, it wasn't too good. I didn't like it. This one was alright, it was decent. But Chick-fil-A it's the #1, I think. And this is number 2. Oh, Jack in the Box, if there was a Jack in the Box, it would be competition with Chick-fil-A.
Really?
Yeah.
But I do want to say that the Wendy's one was more expensive than all the others.
Yeah, $6.
was $6 and all the other ones were $5. Which I didn't expect. I thought they were gonna be like $2 each because it's just a sandwich.
And we're in 2023, everything's going up, even the eggs. We're gonna have to start buying chickens. And I was really hungry. Well, I'm still hungry, but
I kind of think you were a good candidate for tasting them though, because you don't normally get like a chicken from Burger King or that specific from McDonald's.
Because usually sometimes I get the junior bacons at Wendy's.
You're more of a meat guy than a chicken guy.
A meat guy.
Well, you
but when we go to, well, obviously Chick-fil-A has chicken.
Yeah. But you prefer like a hamburger over a...
Yeah, if I go to BK, I always get a burger, the Whopper. And then when I go to McDonald's, I get a McChicken or like a McDouble. And then Wendy's, junior bacon or this sometimes. But most of all, like a burger.
And Chick-fil-A, that's your normal order,
yeah,
except you get
order,
it
so
deluxe.
I think that's why I got it too, because I don't know,
order.
I could taste the difference. It's really good. I don't know. We should have got Cane's. Just kidding. Cane's is nasty.
There's no Cane's. Does Cane's have chicken sandwiches? Or is it?
I don't know. I think it's just tenders.
Yeah.
But they're nasty. Remember we went?
Yeah, I didn't.
That was freaking gross.
It does not come.
Never likes Cane's. You guys are Cane's over Chick-fil-A? Nah.
No, Chick-fil-A 100%.
Chick-fil-A over Cane's for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
I'd rather go to BK and have this than Cane's.
Yeah, Cane's was.
Oh,
Magali made us go, remember?
Yeah. Comadre, it's your fault. No, and Sauli, no.
No,
Sauli
it was Magali. Because all the YouTubers tried it. Or like it, I guess.
That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I got 4 for 4. That's pretty funny because Wendy says 4 for 4. But I got the 4th vote. And man, I'm too good at these games and she don't want to give me a prize.
Because it's for the content. You're not doing it for a prize.
I want a freaking prize.
Okay, what do you want as a prize for this one?
Hey, you owe me a massage from the soda. From the drink.
Yeah, but you owe me a massage before that, so we're even.
Nah.
Yeah.
Why are you bringing up bullshit?
That's what you're doing.
That was reset though. I don't know. What do I want? I want you to take a shot. That's what I fucking want. No, actually drink that Monaco.
That's fine. I can drink the Monaco.
Yeah, drink the Monaco. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. More videos to come. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, guys, peace out. And hope you enjoy the rest of your day.